Hi, everybody, and welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about winter meadow truths and must-knows. We received a lot of comments about what to expect during the wintertime in the meadow, so let's get started. But before we do, please consider subscribing to our channel, and thanks. The first and most obvious thing is actually what not to do. Don't cut back that beautiful wildflower meadow and let it add natural beauty and structure in the winter. Most of the time, the stems won't fall over in the snow. They're pretty strong. The snow is glistening to the seed heads and it's absolutely gorgeous. And it also provides a landing pad for hungry birds looking for food. Which brings us to the next must know. Whether you planned it or not, you just created a beautiful natural habitat for wildlife. Bugs, bees, and many beneficial insects, such as ladybugs and lacewings, will all overwinter in your wildflower patch, and they'll help to naturally control pests when springtime finally arrives. They'll nestle into empty stems or even burrow into the ground. The birds will eat seeds, and wildlife can even nest in your meadow as well. Mice, voles, and other small mammals use meadow grasses for cover, while amphibians such as frogs and salamanders may hibernate in the leaf litter or moist soil beneath. Another great advantage is the natural mulch and nutrient cycle. As plants break down in the wintertime, they will return essential nutrients to the soil, enriching it for new growth in the spring. And not to mention moisture retention. A thick vegetation will help trap rain and snow, preventing rapid runoff and allowing for moisture to slowly seep into the soil, which will benefit your plants come spring. In addition, you'll also be encouraging natural succession by allowing your wildflower meadow to remain undisturbed in the winter. You'll be supporting a long-term ecological balance with natural cycles of plant decay and microbial activity. And one last note to mention is it's simply just a lot less work because nature is doing the work and you're not spending countless hours and money on fertilizers and watering. And that's a wrap. We really appreciate you watching our video, and we hope we shared a positive perspective and motivated you to get planting. If you have any suggestions, or if you want to share your perspective, let's have a chat in the comments section. Thanks again, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. Have a great 2025, and see you in the next one.